Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss some case study in the chapter business service. Our first question, Gauri has decided to set up a dairy food processing unit in Gwalior. While working on her plan, she realized very soon that the business enterprise is greatly dependent on the specialized business service. Explain briefly any two such specialized business service which are indispensable for the business enterprises. The answer for this question is that two such specialized business services which are indispensable for the business enterprises are first banking. The finance is a lifeblood of business. तो किसी भी बिजनेस के लिए फाइनेंस एक लाइफ ब्लड की तरह होता है. Bank provide innumerable service to business enterprises beside providing the loan advance in different forms. Moreover, with the advent of e-business, role of banking has further enhanced. And second one is insurance. Risk is inherent in every business. Insurance facilities provide the protections to the business enterprise against the risk caused multiply reason like natural calamities, fire, theft, and etc. Now our second question. Raj and Simran are the childhood friend. After completing their education, they choose to pursue business of different nature. Raj has decided to set up a travel agency where Simran planned to establish a small manufacturing unit to produce paper-made handicraft item. In the context of the case, identify the basic of nature of market offering the both Raj and Simran planned created through their respective business, and give any four difference between the concept identified in the part A of the question. The part A answer is Raj decide to set up the travel agency, so he will offering the service, whereas Simran plan to establish a small manufacturing unit to make paper made handicraft item. Hence, she will be deal in the goods. And the difference between the service and goods outlined with first nature. The service provides service to considered as an active process, and goods is a physical object type, heterogeneous, and goods homogeneous. Intangibility, service intangible as service are not experiential, and tangible goods are can be seen and touched, and in consistency help to fulfill the varying demands and expectation of different customers, help to fulfill the standardized demand of different customer. Next question. Ajit is a owner of a taxi cab and he get his insured because he getting income from it. And but if he sell it, he will not having any conquer left to do the taxi cab. Identify, explain the principle of insurance which applicable in the above case. The principle of insurable interests are applicable in the above case. According to this principle, insured must have the pecuniary interest in the subject matter of the insurance. His interest in subject matter should be capable of being adversely affect on the happening of the event against which the policy has been taken. For example, a person taking a marine insurance policy for his ship because his financial interest will be affected if his damage is caused to the ship. Likewise, husband taking the insurance policy for his spouse because he is interested in her well-being. And without insurable interest, the contract is in insurance is void. And in case of life insurance, the insurable interest of the insurer must be present when the contract brought into the effect. Thank you.